another day, another risk.
Strong to see your thunderstorm.
A few moments later.
Chance of showers. Winds and seas higher and their thunderstorms. Isolated thunderstorms across eastern Massachusetts and Rhode Island this afternoon. Scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms are expected along a sea breeze boundary across portions of eastern Massachusetts and Rhode Island this afternoon, mainly between 3 to 7 p.m. Some of these storms could be strong to marginally severe, with the main hazard being damaging wind gusts. In addition, heavy rain and brief, very localized street flooding would also be possible, and any strong thunderstorms. Get indoors when you hear thunder. Do not resume outdoor activities until at least 30 minutes after the storm has passed. And remember to turn around. Don't drown. Strong thunder.